Hello and welcome to Touch to Click. Today we are going to show you how to create a URL link for a PDF document so you can easily share your files with anyone online. This video will walk you through the full process step by step. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open your Google Drive by going to drive.google.com and signing in with your Google account, because Google Drive is the place where your PDF must be stored before you can create a shareable URL link. Step 2. Select the PDF you want to share by locating it inside your drive and clicking once on the file. This step is important because the link will be generated only for the selected document. Step 3. Select Share from the upper right-hand corner or by right-clicking the PDF and choosing Share. This option allows you to control who can access your document and how they can use it. Step 4. Check the access settings, where by default, the option people can comment on this file may be enabled. And here you can choose whether viewers can view, comment, or edit the PDF, depending on your sharing needs. Step 5. Click Create Link to Share, which will generate a unique URL for your PDF. And once it appears, copy the link so it can be shared anywhere you want. Step 6. Share the link by pasting it into an email, messenger platform, or another document, making it easy for others to open the PDF directly using the URL. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful guides.